In this video, I'm going to show you how to make image spin in Webflow. So the first thing that you'll need to do is add an element, and the element would be an image. Now, next thing that you want to do is add the image that you want to spin. So I have this image right here, and I'll just minimize it so that we can see it clearly. Next is go over to the interactions and click on element trigger. So, or we can just do page trigger rather. Click on page trigger and click on page load. Now, when the page starts loading, select an action and click on start an animation and click on add an animation. So for the actions, let's add in a rotate and let's add rotate for example we can make it spin to, let's set this to 0 degrees and set the y to 180 degrees. And as you can see, if we play the animation, you will see that it spins. And if you click on save and click on preview, you will see that once the page loads, it will spin. And that's about it. That's how to make image spin in Webflow. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.